My name is Rafael Ramos. Handyman here in Cape Coral for the past 25 years. My wife was coming here first, and she told me, go check them out. They're not like a regular chiropractic that comes and beat you up. It's just want to find out what's wrong with your body. And then I have real bad sinus, working construction. And I could take a Bounty tissue and wet it all up. That's how bad it was. And I said, something's wrong because the pills ain't helping me out. So I decided to come and give it a shot. And I did. I fell in love with it because it's all natural. And it's talking about the body. When you realize it was helping on your bones and everything else, you're putting them back to place. And that's what we loved about it. It helps y'all be stronger. Health is real good for me now because between my sinus, my muscles, shoulder muscles, I get gout. And let me tell you, when I get gout, it hurts because gout goes on every joint of your body. But by coming here, I figure out where it hurts the most. You feel it. Let me tell you, it's pressure, but after a while you feel good. In about 2 or 3 days, you know the difference. I reduce a lot medication, and most of it is my sinus. I don't take them like, I used to take one every day. The love when you come in here, you feel comfortable. It don't feel like a hospital or a doctor. You go, I gotta go there again. No, you want to come in here to find out what's wrong with your body. And that's the love that you guys give us. I love it.